We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass on a HP Color LaserJet MFP M283 CDW printer. So the first thing you're going to do is get your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. And then you want to make sure to open the top part here. Then you want to put your cleaner on the cloth, never directly on the glass. And then you just want to gently clean the glass. Sometimes you might see part of like some ink marks or even some whiteout marks. So if you do see those, you will have to probably clean it more than once just to make sure that it does get clean. If you were seeing printing defects when you use this part of the printer, the automatic feeder at the top, then you're going to want to focus on the little strip of glass that is right here. But if you're seeing more defects when you're using the flatbed, then I would focus on the bigger piece of glass. So once you get that cleaned, you should be good to go. If you continue to see defects, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.